Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best Hitch bike racks on Amazon. The ability to carry around bikes is often taken for granted. Unless you just ride your bike around town, your vehicle needs a rack to secure and transport bikes around. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Allen Sports 4 Bike Rack. How's it possible to carry 4 bikes with a budget-friendly price tag? Allen Sports has managed it with its Hitch rack, using a sturdy metal frame and simple straps to keep the bikes together with the vehicle. Despite the low price tag, the rack still manages to offer a lot in terms of basic security when driving a garage's worth of bikes along for a road trip. As a platform carrier, this Hitch rack is pretty straightforward in use. The height isn't too much of an issue when lifting bikes over the support platform, and the built-in cradles make placement a breeze. An included tension bolt reduces the number of vibrations and rattles the hitch experiences as well. On the downside, space quickly gets crowded if you are loading up more than 2 bikes on the platform. The separation between the bikes is small, meaning you won't have much room for extra padding or protection for long road trips. Larger bikes and wheels complicate this even further. Number 2. Yakima Ridgeback Tilt-Away Hitch Bike Rack. This bike rack gives you an option of a 2, 4, or 5 bike setup. This lets you buy the rack that best suits your bicycle transport needs. It has a tool-free speed knob to make installation into your vehicle's receiver fast and easy. It also has a tilt feature to allow access to the back of your vehicle. To store the rack, you can fold it flat. The manufacturer claims it has a maximum weight capacity of 150 pounds. You'll appreciate that this rack comes fully assembled. It also has zip strips that secure your bicycles to the rack. You can fully remove them when the rack isn't in use. There's an anti-sway cradle to prevent movement and wobble when driving. The biggest problem with this rack is that the vertical tube is welded to the horizontal lower portion with 2 lines. This is a weak point in the rack and could cause it to fail. The rack's metal pipes can also bend, which can damage your bikes. Number 3. Kurt Tobel Extendable Trailer Hitch Bike Rack Mount. You can use this hitch mount to carry 2 or 4 bicycles. The hitch mount will fit a 2-inch receiver. It has a maximum weight capacity of 180 pounds. It has detachable arms that keep the bicycles secure in adjustable rubber cradles. The rack is corrosion resistant with a durable black powder-coated finish. What makes this rack stand out is that it has an integrated Tobel shank. This makes the rack versatile. The shank has a capacity of 2,000 pounds and has a standard 3/4-inch trailer ball hole. This lets you transport bikes and tow a trailer. Another nice feature is the anti-rattle design. This is achieved with the threaded hitch pin to create a tighter seal and reduce vibration. Unfortunately, the bar for the ball to allow you to tow is too low. This makes it unsafe for leaving the rack on your vehicle and driving. You may also find that the rack wobbles more than it should. Number 4. Elevate Outdoor Platform Hitch Bike Rack. You can carry 2 bicycles on this hitch rack. It has adjustable arms and trays so that you can carry bikes that are of different sizes. There's padding on the arm to protect your bike frame from damage. The maximum weight capacity for the rack is 80 pounds. Included with the rack is a 2-inch hitch adapter and 4 straps. One downside to this rack is that you'll need a wrench to attach and remove this rack from your hitch. This can make it more difficult to add and remove it. The rack also blocks the back of your vehicle, so you may not be able to open your rear door. You may also find that the rack wobbles while you're driving. Number 5. Sportrack 3 Bike Lock and Tilt Hanging Hitch Rack. This rack holds up to 3 bicycles. It mounts in your hitch with a pin latch for a stable and secure hold. There are rubber pads to support each bicycle frame. This rack tilts down to give you access to the rear of your vehicle. The rack system also comes with locks so you can secure your bicycles to the rack and the rack to your vehicle. This increased security is a nice touch to prevent theft. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.